everyone, and welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name is Janine and this is Janine's Tap Dance Studio. In today's video, I'm going to go over the tap step called flap heels. So if you don't know what a flap is, or you just need to review your flaps, I would recommend going back and watching my video on taps, flaps, and shuffles, because that's where I break down flaps nice and slow. And you can find the link to that video in my description below. So just to review real quickly, flap is a brush step, right? You keep your weight on that step. So brush step, right? Brush step. Good. So a flap heel, when you do a flap, you want to make sure that you're leaving that heel up. So when you do that step, make sure it's not a stamp or a stomp, okay? So make sure it's not brush stomp. You want to make sure it's a brush step up on the ball of your foot, because if we're going to do flap heels, you're going to need to drop that heel. So say we want to do a flap now, making sure that heel is up, staying on the ball of your foot, and then to do a single flap heel, you're going to drop your heel that is up from the flap. So flap heel, single flap heel is just literally what it sounds like. It's flap and then heel drop. Okay, again, flap, heel drop. Good. So flap heel, literally what it sounds like. Nice. Let's try some on our left foot now. So same thing. Make sure to stay on the ball of your foot when you do that flap. And then to add that heel, to make it a flap heel, you're just going to do a heel drop. Okay, so again, flap heel. Good. Let me show you the back view now. Let's do a few in a row. Let's make them walking now, sort of. I'm going to try my best with my tap board. So to make them walking, you're going to put your weight on the foot that flap heels. And then put your weight on your right foot. Say we were starting on our right foot. And now you're going to transfer to your left foot, flap heel on your left foot. Then your weight is transferred to the left. Now you're going to go back to the right. Back to the left. Good. Let me show you some of these walking. So from the side view, here we go. Let's give it a try. 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Let's start left side now. Again, 4 in a row. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. These are nice and simple. Just taking that heel that's up and dropping it down. If you wanted to do these faster, they're very simple to do. You just have to make the flap and the heel, the flap quicker and the heel come quicker after the flap. So starting on your right foot, let's go from this side. If you want to do faster, you want to think about getting that heel drop nice and quick right after the flap. The flap doesn't change too much. You quicken it a little bit, but otherwise it's exactly the same. Right? Let's try a few in a row. Here we go. 4 in a row. 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8. Nice. Let's try some left side now. So practicing nice and quick on the left. Flap heel, nice and quick. Again, here we go. One more time. Nice. Good job. Let's try a few in a row now. 4 in a row, nice and quick. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. One more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. So think about when you want to speed it up. Make your flap smaller. Don't make it too far out, right? They don't need to travel super long distance. Make it smaller and right underneath yourself. That's how we quicken things up in tap, make things faster. Good. So that's a single heel, flap heel. Now we're going to do the double flap heel. So pretty much what you're going to do is now you're going to drop your other heel in addition to the one that we started with. But things get a little tricky because we have to make sure that we're taking into account weight changes. So say we wanted to start with our right foot. We start with the flap. Now, usually with a flap heel, you then drop this heel. like what we just learned. With the flap double heel, you want to keep this heel up. Now you're going to put your weight on your right foot. You're going to transfer your weight to your right, lifting your left heel. Drop that one first, your left heel first, and then your right heel. Okay? So how I think of it is always back, front. That's because we're always changing feet, so it's a little bit hard to say drop your left heel, then your right heel, because if you start with your left, you're going to drop your right and then your left. So I like to say flap, then your back heel, and then your front heel. Okay? So if we're just going forward, your left foot is your back one, your right is your front. So again, flap, back, front. Okay? That then gives you the chance to put your weight on your right foot and have your left foot ready to go for the next one. Okay? So again, flap, back heel, front heel. Nice, good job. Let's practice it nice and slow on the left foot now. So like I said, flap left, but it changes. So now it's right heel, left heel. That's why I always say back, front heel, because I think it makes it a little bit easier to remember. So flap this time is right, left. Then your right foot's ready to go for the next side. Try that again. Here we go. Good, nicely done. So let's do a few in a row. Let's start right foot. A few in a row. Here we go. I'm going to try to make it to 4, but we'll see if I can do it. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Flap, back, front. One more. Good. Try that again. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Nicely done. Let's try 4 left side. Starting left side now. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Nicely done. Good. Try to make your heel sounds as loud as you can. I know sometimes heel drops are hard to get good sounds on. So try to make sure that you're really dropping them so that you can get a nice, good sound on them. Okay? Let's try a little bit faster now. Actually, I'm going to show you from the back slow so you can see from the back. And then we'll try it faster going across the floor. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Good, nicely done. So with a single heel, you're going to drop your heel on whichever foot just flapped. With a double heel, you're going to drop your heel on the foot that did not flap. Okay? So faster. Here we go. Starting right foot. So again, you want to quicken your flaps, quicken the time that your heels take to go down. And then also keep your feet underneath yourself. Keep your steps nice and small, just like the single. Okay? So now it's going to be more like, okay? So let's give that a try. 4 in a row. 5, 6, 7, 8. Again. 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Let's try left side. Here we go. And 5, 6, 7, 8. Again. 5, 6, 7, 8. Good, nicely done. Awesome. Okay, let's move on to the triple heel now. So flap, triple heel. These are my most favorite. I love these. So these are fun to do. So with the flap heel, you drop with the flap heel first, or with the flap foot first. On the double, you don't drop with the flap foot first. Tongue twister. You drop with the foot that did not flap first. So flap, back, front. Now what you want to think about with a triple, you're going to go back to dropping with that foot that flapped first. So flap, you're going to drop with that front foot, then transfer so that you can drop with your back foot, and then you're going to do one more on your front foot to even it out and make it a triple. Okay, so again, that's flap, and then you have front, back, front. And then your left foot's ready to go. Try that again, nice and slow. Flap, front, back, front. And your weight would then be on your right foot ready to go. Good. Let's try it left side now. So, flap on your left. Front, back, front. Good. Try that again. Here we go. Flap, front, back, front. Good. Let's try a few in a row now. 4 in a row. Here we go. Moderate tempo, nice and slow. 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. One more time here. 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Let's try left side. Here we go. 4 in a row. 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Nice job. Again on the left. One more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. Whoops, I messed up on that one. Let's try that again. Starting left foot. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Nicely done. Let's try them faster now. Starting on the right foot. Now you're going to think, and 1 and a 2, and 3 and a 4. Okay? So, starting right foot, and 1 and a 2. Yeah? Yeah? See why I say these are fun? These are fun to do, because once you get which heel drops first, it's easy. It's super simple to do. So, starting right foot, let's do 4 across the floor, nice and quick. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good, nicely done. And left side, here we go. Let's get that nice quick triple heel down. So left side. Again, here we go. Nice, good. Let's do 4 in a row. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Last time. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Nicely done. Good job. I forgot to show you the back view of this one, so here's the back view now. Left, front, back, front. Left side. Good. Nicely done, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Make sure to give it a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.